Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best farrier tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the low-edged Farrier Tool Kit. The low-edged Farrier Tool Kit is a great choice for those looking to trim the hooves of small animals. The variety of tools included in the kit ensures that you have everything you need to get the job done efficiently. The double-sided hoof rasp and 8-inch hoof nippers are particularly useful, as they make trimming hooves a breeze. The storage bag is also a nice touch, as it keeps all the tools organized and easily accessible. However, it's worth noting that the gloves included in the kit may not be of the highest quality, and the bag may not be as durable as some users would like. Overall, if you're looking for a complete, affordable Farrier toolkit for small animals, the low-edged Farrier toolkit is definitely worth considering. Moving on at number 4, we have the Long River Horse Farrier Hoof Toolkit. If you're looking for a complete Farrier toolkit that ensures durability and sharpness, the Long River Horse Farrier Hoof Toolkit is a good option. This Farrier toolkit is well made and suitable for trimming the hooves of livestock, including cattle, sheep, horses, and donkeys. The storage bag is convenient for organizing and carrying the tools, and the double-sided hoof rasp is a great feature for versatility. However, the small hoof nippers may not be as effective as the larger ones, and the gloves may not fit well for those with larger hands. Overall, we recommend this kit for those looking for a complete set of farrier tools. At number 3, we have the HNONPW6 PC's Farrier Tools Professional Kit. We've found that the HNONPW6 PC's Farrier Tools Professional Kit is a great value for the price. The kit includes a hoof nipper, a hoof rasp with rubber handle, a hoof trimming shears, a double-edged hoof knife, a storage bag, and a horseshoe brush. All the tools are made of high-quality material, high strength, sharp, and durable for long-term usage. The 14 inches horse's hoof farrier's nipper is made of premium metal material, sturdy and durable, not easy to break and long-time service. The ergonomic design of the handle cuts through the hardest and thickest hooves with ease, making hoof trimming effortless and comfortable. Horseshoe pliers have very sharp blades to ensure clean cuts and smooth surfaces. The upgraded design hoof rasp is double-sided with a rubber handle. The improved grooves can remove hooves more accurately than ordinary ones, making it perfect for rough and precise machining. This horseshoe file is made of T12 carbon tool steel, has high wear resistance, and strong hardness. Sharp teeth have a fast filing speed. The hoof trimmer adopts a double-sided opening design, and the towing knife has a wide, comfortable wooden grip, which reduces shock and vibration and provides great leverage as well as comfort in the hoof trimming process. At number 2, we have the JDBLGJD Farrier Toolkits. We found that the JDBLGJD Farrier Toolkits is a solid choice for those who need a complete kit for hoof trimming and maintenance. The tools are made of high-quality materials and are durable and sharp, ensuring a clean cut and smooth surface. The kit includes all the necessary tools, and the thickened tool bag makes it easy to store and carry your tools, preventing loss or misplacement. However, it's important to note that this kit is designed for miniature horses and small animals with pigs' trotters or sheep's trotters, not larger animals. Some users might find the tools too small for their needs. Additionally, the price point might be a bit high for some buyers. And finally at number 1, we have the JDBLGJD 14-inch Farrier Hoof Toolkit. If you're looking for a complete Farrier toolkit, the JDBLGJD 14-inch Farrier Hoof Toolkit is a great option. This kit includes everything you need to trim horse, cow, and goat hooves, and all tools are made of high-quality materials to ensure durability and sharpness. We found the JDBLGJD 14-inch Farrier Hoof Toolkit to be a great investment for those who regularly trim horse, cow, and goat hooves. The diamond-coated sharpening surface is very effective at sharpening hoof knives, and the 14-inch horse hoof file rasp is a crucial tool for shaping and smoothing hooves. The 14-inch hoof nippers for goats are sturdy and can easily cut through the hardest and thickest hooves, making the task of trimming hooves labor-saving and comfortable. The kit also includes a pair of high-quality gloves and a thickened tool bag. The tool bag is made of waterproof Oxford cloth, which provides excellent tool protection against moisture and damage. It is easy to keep your tools organized and within reach because of the spacious tool bag, and the sturdy handle allows for easy carrying.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon